Well, good day everybody, and here we have a bit of an update on the ISF. We have some new headlights, and here they are. So these are MY13 IS350, and a little bit of sun damage, but that'll buff out hopefully. Well, buff out, they'll restore. But they are the daylight running tight, so we'll get that going. But also we have new tail lights as well, and I'll just dig those out. Hang on. These were basically came with the other headlights, and these have got the clear outers where they're orange. Now these are not the original taillights for the ISF, they're actually out of an IS350, but these are out of a 2013 IS350 F-Sport. So the good thing is that they will fit. I've already got these in, so I'll probably sell these, but later on I will do the installation on these, and I just prefer the this look because it's got the Lexus sort of logo in it. But they're the ones that I'm looking forward to doing. That will be good. So we'll do an installation video, and once that's done, we'll be good. Don't know if I don't think I told him, but I had an operation on my face. Had 2 wisdom teeth out and something cut out of here, and some other stuff happened. So I'm a bit swollen, a bit sore and sorry, but getting better. But yeah, we're going to do that. This Friday we're doing the hub dyno, and I might do the test and tune on Saturday, and then after that, probably Monday, I will start pulling the engine down and take the inlet manifold off, and we'll start doing that, get the port and polish done. So that's the next big thing. So thanks for watching, and we'll do the installation. What we're going to do, it's a bit dark, but we need to remove that, and then I'll show you what's in behind it. In here we've got 3 10mm nuts, and then there's the bulb, which will just clip out, and we'll remove the tail light. Very simple. So this is just a push-in clip, and that's just a little screw which holds the hook on. Very easy. Then you just pull that back, and you can get in there and yeah, do the rest. So down in there is a clip, and I'm going to have to struggle with that to get it out. There's a little bit of it. There we go. So now we've got this out, there's no need to swap anything over, just clip straight in. So we will just put it back in. There's the clip, and away we go. Hang on. back in there. That is back where it is. And do these three nuts up, and it is done. Literally 10 minutes, whatever it is. Okay, see if it works. Okay. Very good. Tail lights. That works. So, not the best video, I know, but it gives you an idea. Very easy. You just got a couple of clips and 3 screws, 1 wiring loom, and swap it over, and it's all done in literally 10 minutes. So, going to do the other one. Don't need to film that, and then I'll show you the end result. There you are. Label tail lights. Okay, so there we go. Very easy. So not the best quality video, I know. I'm getting better at it, or getting worse at it, one of the two. However, it literally takes 5 minutes per side or less. But let's have a look. And this is the light. I like how this looks. I know some of you say, oh, it's not ISF tail lights, blah blah blah, but I just prefer the more modern tail lights, because the ISF lights didn't change from 2008 right through to 2014. They stayed the same, tail lights. Yeah, so here it is.